Hey guys, welcome to Tutorials by David, and in this video we'll be having a quick tutorial of how to get EVM wallet address to your MetaMask. To get your EVM wallet address using your MetaMask, then start by opening your MetaMask extension or mobile app and unlocking your wallet. So, this is the instruction. You want to run the MetaMask mobile app, go to the three lines in the left corner, go to browser. Then if you're in the browser, search or type the URL of the EVM. Yes. So here it is. Scroll down until you find the network that you'd like to add. Next up is select a network. Of course, you like to add and tap approve to complete the addition and move on to the next step. So this one is tap switch network to change the network added. So for this guide, we've added Binance and Smart Chain mainnet, so you can see that it has been added to the MetaMask mobile app. And yes, that is all. So for further details, you want to go to again the MetaMask mobile app, go to the three lines, go to settings, go to networks, go to add network, and then it will have the network details, and you want to have to fill in or fill out the details, then add, and then you already have the details just like for this one. See, it has Polygon mainnet. And that is all. I hope you learned something, and goodbye.